Good morning, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan and this is Auto Detour. Today we have a very special day planned for a couple of reasons. One, we're going on the Paul Walker Memorial Cruise, which is going to be awesome. And the other reason is my wife is coming with me. So if you guys don't know who Paul Walker is, he's an actor that starred next to Vin Diesel in the Fast and Furious series. And if you don't know, he passed away in a very unfortunate car crash. He was the passenger back in 2013 while he was filming Fast and Furious 7. So, like the movies or dislike the movies, you can't deny that Paul Walker and his Fast and Furious series have had a huge impact on the car community. So today we're going to go do the Paul Walker Memorial Cruise. We're going to go meet up with a couple of other car guys and go on this cruise. The route starts down in Cottage Grove, Minnesota. We're going to wind through St. Paul and work our way up in a very roundabout way up to TCF Bank Stadium up in Minneapolis. So it should be a lot of fun. I'm really looking forward to it. This is my first cruise that I've ever done like this, and of course we're taking the S8. If you haven't seen any of my videos before, I have a 2007 Audi S8 with the V10 in it. So yeah, should be a lot of fun. Obviously a great, comfortable car for cruising in. We got to meet up with the rest of the gang down in Cottage Grove. There were a limited number of tickets. There's about 300 cars going on the cruise. There is a car show at the stadium at the end of the cruise, which I will not be staying for. Unfortunately, we got family things going on today, but I will show you all the cars at the meetup before the start of the cruise, so it should be a lot of fun. We're gonna hop in the car and let's get on our way. Alright guys, we made it to the starting location. Everybody's just kind of arriving even though we're like 30 minutes late. Glad to know I'm not the last one here. So of course we got the S8 here. People are rolling in here trying to find a place to park because there's just so many cars here. So we're gonna walk over to the tent, get our stuff, and so we can get on our way for the cruise. Sitting over there.
Yeah.
That thing looks sweet.
She's a little scratched up though. I should have cut and buffed it, but we didn't have time this weekend.
What have you been doing?
So.
Not like you've been putting a motor in that thing or something.
Yeah, dude, this is crazy to think. Sunday I was sitting in my garage with just the engine sitting in there. Now
I know.
we're driving it.
That thing sounds gnarly too.
Did you hear it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
No, like on your video.
Yeah.
I can't wait to hear it in person.
You gotta go for a ride.
Yeah, well, of course. Yeah.
It's only on 3.9 pounds of boost right now.
So you're up from 2 point whatever.
Yeah, 2.6. The boost controller's not working.
Oh yeah.
So I wanted wastegate pressure to be really low so I could turn it down when other people drive it.
Yeah.
And then with my boost controller I could just whip it up real quick.
Yeah.
And it must be the solenoid just taking a crap on there.
Sorry guys, this is Eric from Racing Rampam. He's got a turbocharged giant turbo on his SRT Ram, so make sure you go follow his YouTube channel.
Yes, and of course you guys too. Check out Mr. Auto Detour. I have my videos looking around for you. And then I found you. I was like, there he is.
There he is.
There he is.
Yeah.
We found him.
Awesome. Yeah, I saw your truck. I was like, well,
Oh, yeah.
I gotta see you around somewhere.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is gonna be sweet.
I got my broken engine parts.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah, I brought them with.
You brought them with you?
I brought them
You can't
with.
part with them? What are you doing with
No, I love them.
them? You're attached to them now.
Too much boost on one
Yeah.
motor.
I gotta introduce you to Ryan over here. Lambo Dad.
Lambo Daddy.
Yeah.
This guy right here.
Yeah. Ryan, I gotta introduce you to Eric here.
How's it going? Nice to meet you.
I heard your Lambo daddy over there.
Yeah, actually.
Right here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Right behind you.
my bad.
Oh, it's all
Other
good.
way. They're
I
everywhere.
wish it was right here.
Yeah, no joke.
Yeah.
So Eric's got he turbocharged his Viper Ram. He's got an
I
SRT
have a
Ram.
04 Ram SRT10 with an 8.3 Viper motor V10.
Oh, nice.
Blew it up. I put a 96mm Borg Warner on it.
Yeah, he blew it up.
Blew it up on the dyno.
On Corey's
Oh,
video. Corey
no
was
way.
there at the shop.
What dyno?
Exactly.
Tall guy, car reviews, was
No
at the
way.
shop. Poor guy
What did
blows
you
it up.
power for it blew up?
On 7 pounds, it was making like 700 wheel. I got the dyno graph in my.
Nice. So is it back up and running now? Or
Yeah, I
is
just finished it Sunday.
Nice. Is it here?
Yeah.
Nice.
Over there. Oh yeah.
Might have to go.
We're only
Things-
on 4 pounds.
Things
right now.
gnarly.
Might have to go. Let me grab my.
We're still breaking in.
I noticed you're the only Lambo owner setting his Rockstar on your
I
Lamborghini.
got wrapped. Yeah, got it.
Dude, we gotta go for a ride in this thing soon.
Do it for sure. Yeah, I keep saying it's like, oh, I'm gonna put it away soon, but I'll drive it again
Yeah,
as long as I can.
right. As long as there's not
Driver's
salt
meeting?
on the road.
These are Reed's Performance, and then the exhaust is B-Road. That's actually full titanium.
Yep. Dude, that's titanium?
Yeah, this exact. This piece is like 6.5 pounds.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
I was just kissing about the TIG welds on the stainless, and
so
then I looked down and I'm
actually,
like,
I'm waiting. They're sending me. They make a nasty to match my exhaust.
Really, a
All
titanium?
Yeah, blue and
Yeah.
everything.
dude, that's crazy.
Yeah, that exhaust is sick.
Yeah, it's loud. It's awesome.
It's the same company that Damon used, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so rule number 1, please no excessive noise creation, burnouts, or dangers to the public of any kind.
Alright guys, so we jumped in the car real quick. Our lot left before the other one that they said was going to leave, so I didn't have much time to get prepared to go, but we're on our way here. We're all in a huge line of cars, going to wind our way through St. Paul, up to Minneapolis, try to get some shots of some other cars along the way here, so let's hit the road.
Up, man. Hold a sec.
Whatever.
Up, man.
Check out that turbo.
Oh, you gotta put your head by it. That's how you compare. No, we're just cleaning it. I'm trying to take home a trophy today.
Nice, dude.
I want to take home that truck trophy. Yeah. So you want to grab him with a pen? Yeah.
All right. Well, make sure you guys go follow Eric on Racing Ram Fame. I'm taking off.
All right. You're leaving?
Yeah.
Damn, dude.
Family stuff.
Oh, all right. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Super nice seeing you.
Yeah.
Take it for a ride.
Be sure to go subscribe to Eric, Racing Ram Fam. I'll put it on the screen here. But there you go.
Here you go. You can have that one. That's yours.
Cool. Thanks.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
You gotta sell me one of those sweatshirts too.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, I'll hit you up.
Cool.
I want an Auto Detour sweatshirt.
There you go. This is the defect.
Is it?
I wear all the defect stuff. All right, guys. Well, I gotta take off. This has been fun. The cruise. We're here at the car show. Just be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll talk to you guys next time.